Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jhoy, and for today's video I am going to show you my diaper bag essentials. So I'm doing this video guys in collaboration with my beautiful friend Jhoy Pham here on YouTube. Hi beautiful girl. I'm so happy to actually finally doing this video and showing you guys what's inside my diaper bag. So as you all know, I have a 20-month-old baby girl, Paris Nicole, and yes, so if you are interested to know what's inside my diaper bags and what are my essentials, yeah, please keep on watching. So the diaper bag that I use guys currently is my Neverfull my Louis Vuitton Neverfull yeah, I just use it guys because it's very, I know, it's literally Neverfull because you can just put everything in there guys. So that's what I'm using, and the first thing that I have inside my bag, just gonna show you a little bit. So that's what it looks like guys. Oh my god, it's all over the place. But the first thing that I have here guys is this muslin wrap. So if you can see, that's the one. So I love taking this with me guys because I can use it in so many things. So firstly, I can use it when I change Paris's nappy. I can use it as a mat. Also when she's sleeping in the pram, I can use it to cover her. And also when she actually wants her milk and we're far away from the parents' room, I can use it as my cover when I breastfeed her. So yeah, I still breastfeed Paris guys. She's already 20 months old, and she still loves her milk. So yeah, I'm not gonna take it away from her. Yeah, so that's the first one. And also we've got a water bottle. That's very, very important because as Paris is now 20 months old, she's actually just running around guys and just like starting to explore things and that, so she gets very thirsty and all that, so it's good to actually have water handy. And then the next one here guys is also her snacks. So this is just from Coles guys. It's some puffed corn snacks because she loves this one. So that's the one. And also the next one that I have here guys is this Sticky Fingers hand and face wipes. So obviously when we go out and when I feed her, when she eats chocolate, ice cream or whatever, this is very, very helpful guys. The kids, they get really, really dirty so quickly, so that's very handy. And then the next one here guys that I'm going to show you is in this pouch here. Let's see what's okay. So first we have tissue, just pocket tissue. That's very handy as well. And then I've got sunscreen for Paris guys because recently it's been hot here in Australia. It's crazy. In Melbourne it's actually crazy. We have 4 seasons in one day, but it's very good to have these handy just in case. You'll never know when you're gonna need it. And then also I've got these fragrance bin, like nappy bin, so you'll never know when they're gonna have a poo guys. So if we're in the park or we're not in the parents' room, then I can just change her nappy and put her dirty nappy in this plastic bag here. It's so tiny. So that's very, very important to have guys in my diaper bag because you can't just put all the dirty nappy somewhere. So the next one that I have is hand sanitizer. This is very, very, very important, guys, because yeah, you just gotta keep your baby clean, and you know, you touching your baby all the time, you have to make sure that everything's clean, guys. Just, you know, keep your baby away from germs, bacteria. And then the next one that I have here is this nappy rash cream. Yeah, so it's the brand Curash. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but as you can see, it's a free sample. It is because very handy to have this little you know, packaging in your nappy bag. At home we have like the big, you know, in a big tube, but in the bag it's good to have this little man there. And then also I've got a few kids what's the word, band-aid, because I don't know, guys, Paris at her age right now, seriously, she just want to run away without me, you know, holding her. So, you know, most of the time she falls and, you know, scratch herself. So it's good to have that. And also, guys, I've got this nail clipper. I actually got this one from iHerb. I bought this online. But yeah, it's very important to actually have it handy in your diaper bag, guys, because you'll never know when they, you know, doze off. So, you know, while they're sleeping, then you can just, you know, cut those tiny nails, because if they're not sleeping, unfortunately, it's very hard to actually cut their nails. So, yep. And also, the last things that I have in this pouch, guys, are these really cute, really cute hair clips. So I love putting clips on Paris's hair. I know that she doesn't have a lot of hair at the moment, but I just so love putting some, you know, colors in her hair. And you know, I'm just a typical mom who wants their kid to look cute and nice. So yeah, I have those extra ones here because I noticed that I buy so much of these hair clips, guys, because everywhere we go I put it in her hair, she takes it off, throw it away, and yeah, goodbye. But yeah, that's about it in that pouch. And then, so one more thing in my bag. So I have it here in this like mesh organizer, guys, because as you know, these bags actually just like a hole, like literally a hole. It's very, oh, it looks nasty at the moment, but it's just because, you know, we spilled water all over this bag, guys, so it created that stains. But anyways, I've already moved on from that. So in this organizer, guys, what I have is Paris's wet wipes. Obviously, you need the wet wipes to, you know, clean those dirty bum. Hello? Come in. Then there's Paris. Come in. Oh. Come on, honey. Come on.
Can we get up?
Yeah. So guys, here's my little girl Paris. Hey, let's say hi. Let's say hi to the video first. No. Okay. Okay, you go play. Mama will finish it. No. So yeah, guys, Paris is here and she's just playing on that side there. I'm just gonna keep going because there's not many left now that I'm going to show you. Yeah, so after the wet wipes, as what I mentioned, it's very important. I think all moms got that in their diaper bag because yeah, it's very helpful. And also I always carry nappy, guys, obviously, because you know that's very important. And then I just carry like an extra piece of clothing, guys, like a top and, you know, pants. because when they're out, guys, they get so dirty, and then you know you're gonna end up changing their clothes anyways. So it's good to actually have that with you, so you're not, you know, walking around with dirty baby. And yeah, so I think that's about it really, guys. That's all that those are my diaper bag essentials. There's not a lot because I don't think you actually need more. Before, when Paris was when Paris was like a little tiny baby, I used to take like changing mat and all that, but yeah, now like it's fine. I just, you know, I just use the thing that I showed to you before, like this one, whenever I change her nappy. So yeah, that's all I have, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And then yeah, Jhoy, I hope that, you know, we're gonna do some more collaboration in the future. Hey, you say hi? You wanna say hi to Luna? You know Luna is our friend. Come on. Wanna give some food to Luna? Share the food. Hi. Say hi, Luna. Say hi, Luna. Hi, Luna.
No.
Oh, hi to your friend. Wave hi to your friend.
No.
Oh, no. Okay. All right. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you actually hit the subscribe button because I would like you all on board. And yeah, we'll see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. Bye.